views. So here we are at the house of Malhotras. Let's hear what they have to say about it. When I say that the ASUS Chromebooks are thoughtfully simple, I mean that great thought has been given while designing them to ensure that they are extremely intuitive and user-friendly. In fact, they are so user-friendly that our champ Rohan here can work on them, attend his classes, finish his projects and a lot more all by himself.
Hi Dinesh uncle, thank you. I really love the new laptop. See, I don't even have to wait for mummy or daddy to finish the calls so that they can log me in or set up my games or classes or calls for me.
Exactly right, Rohan. Now with ASUS Chromebook, you can do all that by yourself. Since the ASUS Chromebooks work on the Chrome OS, they are extremely user-friendly and all you need is a supervised Google account and you're all set. You can access your own activity calendar, set up call with your friends, discuss all your self-study projects and even log into your classes all by yourself. What makes the Chromebook truly stand out is the Chrome OS. The UI is clean, simple and straightforward. It's quite similar to your Android smartphone. With the Google Play Store, all your favorite apps are right here. Downloading them is as simple as downloading them on your smartphones. Chromebooks even have access to the web store. And all those familiar G Suite apps are readily accessible so that you can collaborate with others anytime, anywhere. Your Google Assistant is always ready to assist you with your asks, and using the Files app, all your videos, photos and presentations are right here, and files in Drive can be reached from any smartphone, tablet or computer, so you can get your files anywhere or on any device you want.
Wow, this is just like using dad's phone, just bigger and way better. Not only can I attend my school online, but I can download my favorite learning apps, watch my favorite documentaries, and also make my drawings directly on the ASUS Chromebook. I also like that the Chromebook starts up and operates super fast.
All ASUS Chromebooks come with a solid-state drive and Chrome OS itself is super light. This enables swift and speedy usage experience on ASUS Chromebooks.
And Dinesh uncle, my ASUS Chromebook is super tough, just like my favorite superheroes.
That's right, Rohan. The ASUS Chromebook Flip C214 has been designed and built for children. It is as versatile as the child's imagination and built super tough to endure a child's usage. The tablet mode is ideal for taking notes or gaming like Rohan just showed us. The tent mode for viewing articles, marking papers or watching videos. And the laptop mode for all other things you can think of from attending classes to working. And a rubber safety grip that not only provides a sturdy support, but it also makes it easier to grip when carrying. And it comes with a 50 watt-hour battery that lasts up to an astounding 11 hours on a single charge, so that Rohan can even catch up on his favorite games or watch videos when he's done studying without having to worry about running out of charge. ASUS Chromebooks also support C-type ports for charging, data transfers and connection to external displays. You can use the ASUS Chromebook charger to charge your smartphones as well. Relax, Rohan, relax. Accident spilling is one of the most common problems, and so the ASUS Chromebooks have been built with a spill-resistant keyboard that can repel up to 66 cc of liquid. While designing a product specifically for children like Rohan, we had to build it to be rugged. The Flip C214 comes certified with military-grade reliability, having survived the 120 centimeter drop test along with several other durability tests. The reinforced hinges have been tested for 50,000 open-close test cycles.
Look Dinesh uncle, I'm having another camera too.
Yes, Rohan. The ASUS Chromebook Flip C214 is equipped with world-facing 5 megapixel camera with autofocus that allows learning to be taken to a completely new level for kids.
Dinesh uncle, I've also been enjoying my online classes on this new laptop. The camera lets me look very clear and I also don't need headsets.
Of course, Rohan. The ASUS Chromebook Flip C214 is equipped with HD camera, powerful dual speakers and dual array mics. This ensures an excellent video conferencing experience for online classes or meetings.
Hello, Swati ma'am. Dinesh uncle, it seems my teacher Swati ma'am has a question for you.
Hello Swati, how are you? Conduct your online classes. In fact, to tell us more about this, I want to invite Google. So, you can easily access your student lessons and quizzes on Google Forms, create and make them, access the Drive and the Suite at just a touch of a button, and everything happens online on the cloud, so you can easily track history, edit documents in real time, and do a whole lot more.
Oh wow, that's amazing. Thank you.
Thank you, Swati. And with a little help from Google Assistant, get more done fast on your Chromebook. Send an email, find documents, listen to your music, access your calendar or control smart home devices, all without switching screens. Just say, "Hey Google" to get started.
It certainly is the perfect device. Are Chromebooks good for my husband's startup as well?
Absolutely. Great solution for your business needs as well. Let's hear what Vivek from Google has to say.
Thank you. Chromebooks have.
So Dinesh, you're saying that with all these remarkable features, each of the model is priced under 25,000. That is definitely a sweet deal.
Like I said in the beginning, Shalini, we did start with the idea of making them thoughtfully simple. Thank you so much everyone for being with us throughout this launch experience. Get your hands on the new ASUS Chromebook series and don't forget to have fun. At ASUS, we will also be announcing a range of community support activities for ASUS Chromebook users and share a range of resources that will help you make use of your ASUS Chromebooks thoughtfully simple. Stay tuned on our channels. Until we meet next, stay safe, stay well. Thank you.